Hi, this is Naim Hussain. Today I'm going to talk about 5 words with British and American pronunciation, and these are the words that we mispronounce in our everyday life. So let's see how can we pronounce these words correctly in British and American English. The very first one is, I think, commercial. We pronounce it as like this, but it should not be commercial. It has to be a bit different. And what is that? Ka, ka, mo, sha, la. Commercial, 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 right? And in American English, it is also pronounced as like almost commercial, but they add actually an extra R with this commercial. They say ka, mo, sha, la. Commercial, commercial, commercial. Okay, so repeat after me. Commercial, 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 commercial. And the next one is, we pronounce it as confusion, which is wrong. It has to be ka, no, kan, fa, ya, u. Confuse, ja, no. Confusion, confusion, confusion. Okay. In American English, it is also pronounced as confusion. So both are same. And the next one is comparison, but we say it as comparison or something like that. So how can we make it correct? Ka, mo, come, pa, ra, I, sa, na. Comparison, comparison. Okay, so repeat after me. Comparison. And in American English, it is also pronounced as comparison. Comparison, comparison. Okay? And the next one is da, I, sa, I, ja, na. Decision. It is not decision. It is decision. Decision. Alright, so repeat after me. Decision, decision. Decision, decision. Okay? And the next one is na, o, ma, la. Normal, na, or, ma, la. Normal, normal. Okay? So, one more time, repeat after me. Commercial, commercial. Confusion, confusion. Comparison, comparison. Decision, decision. Normal, normal. Alright? So that's all for today. So if you guys want to make your pronunciation better, then just try to pronounce the words individually correctly by following the 44 sounds in English. If you can do that within very short time, your pronunciation will be very different than today. And that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you want to get more videos like this, do subscribe our channel and like our page for getting updates. Thanks. Goodbye.